This week the EURUSD price has continued to fall down, where we can see after the previous week has ended here with an indecision candle. We have 4 more candles that have pushed the price down from 1.11 up to 1.097. We can see that on a Monday the price has returned back down from the middle price between 1.1187 and 1.10755. Resistance and support. We can see that the price returned back down and reached the first support level, which was expected and in the previous week analysis. From there the price has dropped even more down, where the price has reached this area 1.1045, which is a very critical level for the price. We can see in the past where the price has stopped and had problems reaching higher price levels, and from here the price has made a bounce a little bit up. We can see the week where the prices try to move more down, but small bias pressure, which is also a small support, has pushed the price back up, reaching 1.11 price level. But from there we can see that the prices on a Thursday has continued to fall down, where we can see first the prices try to reach higher levels, where the prices try to make a return up to higher prices, where we can see then the prices drop it again down. This is a strong bearish candle, which is suggesting that something has happened very strongly on the market, which has increased the volatility, and we can see a strong bearish candle that has took from 1.115 all the way down to 1.097, which is more than 100 pips, and it was a strong signal. The price has took all the way to the first strong support level, which is also a monthly support and also demand zone, where we can see it is a confluence support, where we have this small daily uptrend channel support line, and we have this monthly trend line, which is acting now as a support. So this is a monthly support where we have one more day in this month until the month ends, so it is also a very significant support level. If we go to the weekly time frame, we will see that this last 2 weeks have been strong bearish ones, where we can see that the price after reaching 1.11871, the price returned down, reaching again the first support level. This is also a confluence of support, where we can see a monthly support, which is a demand zone, and also this trend line, which is also a monthly. We can see that the price did not stop in this week at all at this price level, which is 1.105, which is also a very significant level for the price on the weekly time frame. The price did not stop, we can see it, and did not return back up, which is also some kind of a signal that the bears are much stronger than the bulls around this area right now. The price stopped here, where we can see it, where the wicks are between this price level 1.094 and also 1.098. So this is the area where the price has stopped, and we can see a strong return after the prices reach this price level, which means the sellers have gone outside of these trades, and also the bulls are preventing the price from falling down. If we go to the monthly time frame, we will see that this month has been very strange, where we can see a strong bullish pressure, where the prices reached 1.127 and then returned back down, which is currently at the 1.10. So in this case we have 127 pips returned back down, and still we have a Monday until the month ends. So what we can expect in the next week and also in the next month, because we have one more day in this July. The price stopped here, so we have to wait one more day to see how this month will end. But as it looks right now, the price will end somewhere here, which is very good for the price, because if the price stays above 1.095, it will be very good signal for the bulls. But if the price goes down below 1.095, it will close the month with a very strong, some kind of bearish pin bar. But we will need to wait until the month ends, so we can see how this month ends. But on the upper side, if the price goes a little bit up and close the month above 1.102, which is very close to this one, around 30 pips, this will be also a great indication for the price that the price has managed to stay above and it has made a breakout to the upside after it has returned from this 1.068 price level. So it is very strong, and also it is very important to see the Monday how it ends and how this month will close this candle. This here area around 1.09860 is the confluence of support, and we can see that the price had problems reaching and also closing the month in this was April, and also this is the May. So we can see that the price had problems closing on the higher price level, which means these 30 pips are very important for the monthly time frame. If it stays above, it will be a great signal for the bulls that the breakout has happened, and we will need to wait the second month to close above this confluence of support to confirm this breakout, and then we will see the price targeting higher price levels, which is first 1.114 and above 1.12 price level, which the price has reached right now. This strong return also indicates that the sellers who are here are very strong currently, and they are pushing the price down. So this will be a strong selling pressure in this area, which means for the next week it will be very strong. Well, it will be very hard for the price and also for the bulls to push the price on higher price levels. If we go to the weekly time frame, we will see that the very important level is currently this one here, where the price is bounced, and we need to see the price closing above 1.1022, which is also a monthly time frame very critical level. So this will be indication that the price has managed to stay above this confluence of support, and the sellers have lost their strength to push the price even more down. This is also a very critical level for the weekly time frame, 1.098. You can see it here, which is very important, and also 1.095. So this is the area which is a very critical for the price in the next week to stay above. If the price manages to stay above, it will mean that this week has started to make some kind of recovery from this selling pressure, and the buyers could probably start to target the higher price levels. For the price, if the price stays above 1.1032 and also 1.105 is very critical level on the weekly time frame. We need to see the price above to close the week to continue to see the price on the higher price levels, targeting first one is 1.11267 and also 1.114. This is the area for the price for the bulls as the next target. You can see that in between these 2 weeks, which are the last 2 ones, you can see this is the area where the price had problems as a confluence of support and resistance, the fight between the buyers and the sellers. This is also a critical level for the price now to see the price on the higher price levels. If we go to the daily time frame, you will see that these price levels are very important. The first one here is this one to hold the price. It is 1.0968, very important price level, and also this one 1.094, which is also 1.095 I have already mentioned. So this is the price level for the price that needs to hold in order to stay above 1.09860. So for the Monday, if the price stays above and returns back up a little bit more, at least reaching this price level here, which is 1.1044, this will be a great signal for the monthly and also the weekly time frame. But on the daily, we can see that it is very critical, and it will be hard for the price to break above, because this is the first target that needs to be broken, this is the second one, and then later on this is the third one. So this area from here, which is 1.1043 and also 1.108, is very critical for the price for the bulls to return back up above this area 1.10755, which was very critical level here that has prevented the price from reaching higher price levels. On the below side, we need to see the price. If the price goes on a Monday and closes below this one, which is 1.0948, which means also 1.095, if the price goes below that, we will see the price reaching then again the first support, which is 1.088, and also will be critical for the weekly and also the monthly time frame. If the Monday ends below this one, which will mean that this month, July, has ended below the support, and there is a probability that the price will stay below and it will switch the trend, which is currently a bullish one, into a bearish one, or at least in indecision. So it is very important to see how the Monday ends. If it stays above and reaches this price level, it will mean great signal where the price will try probably to reach again higher price levels in the future, also in the next month.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!